If you're looking for a vocabulary app to help you learn Italian, you may have come across DuoCards. DuoCards is a flashcard-based language learning app designed to help learners expand their vocabulary using spaced repetition. It's available on mobile devices and also through a web browser. And the idea is pretty simple. You collect words and phrases in Italian, turn them into flashcards, and review them regularly so they stick in your long-term memory. In this video, I'll walk through how DuoCards works, what features it offers, and what the learning experience looks like if you want to use it for learning Italian. At its core, DuoCards is a vocabulary learning app. The main method it uses is spaced repetition, which means the app schedules reviews of words and phrases at specific intervals. So instead of studying everything randomly, the app shows you words right when you're most likely to forget them. When I open the app, I see flashcards with Italian words or phrases, and I can swipe depending on whether I remember the meaning or not. Based on those responses, the system decides when I should review that card again. The idea is to move vocabulary gradually from short-term memory into long-term memory through repeated exposure. One feature I found interesting is that DuoCards doesn't rely only on traditional flashcards. The app includes a library of videos and articles, which you can use as learning material. For example, when watching a video in Italian, I can tap on any word in the subtitles that I don't understand. The app instantly translates it and lets me save that word as a flashcard. The same thing happens when reading articles inside the app. If I see a word I want to learn, I can tap it and add it to my flashcard deck in just a few seconds. So instead of manually writing down vocabulary, I can collect new words directly from real Italian content. Another key part of the experience is creating your own flashcards. Inside the app, I can add words or phrases manually, and DuoCards automatically generates a translation and sometimes even example sentences. There's also a browser extension that allows me to highlight words while browsing the internet and instantly turn them into flashcards. This makes it easy to build a personalized vocabulary list based on what I'm actually reading or watching in Italian. DuoCards also includes a few additional tools designed to make learning more interactive. For example, the app has a built-in translator, so I don't need to switch to another app to check the meaning of a word. There's also an AI chatbot that can generate short stories using the words I've been studying and ask me questions about them. And the app adds a bit of gamification as well. As I review flashcards regularly, I earn rewards and unlock decorations for a small mascot called Memo. It's a light feature, but it adds a bit of motivation to keep studying consistently. While DuoCards works well as a vocabulary builder, it focuses mainly on memorizing words and phrases. It doesn't really provide structured lessons or deep explanations of grammar. So if someone is learning Italian, they might still want to combine it with other resources that focus more on speaking practice or structured lessons. Another thing I noticed is that the free version of the app has some limitations, like ads and a cap on how many new flashcards you can add to your learning queue. Overall, DuoCards is designed as a vocabulary learning tool that combines flashcards, paced repetition, and real content like videos and articles. If your goal is to collect new Italian words and review them regularly, the app offers a structured way to do that and build your vocabulary over time. But vocabulary is just one part of learning a language, and depending on your learning goals, you may want to explore other tools as well. And actually, there is another tool that I would also recommend checking out, and that's Think in Italian. Think in Italian is an all-in-one platform that helped me go from memorizing words to actually speaking Italian and thinking in it. It combines structured audio lessons, bite-sized bilingual readings, and a super customizable AI tutor that makes learning feel natural and personal. Let's start with the audio lessons. These are made up of bilingual sentences, like mini dialogues, that show you exactly how to say things in Italian. They're organized into 3 parts, A, B, and C. So it's not just repetition, it actually builds your understanding gradually. I can control the playback speed, adjust the volume, And if I ever get stuck, I just click on any word or sentence and it breaks it down for me. It's a great way to learn grammar patterns and vocabulary without the overwhelm. Honestly, I started recognizing sentence structures and building phrases way faster than with traditional lessons. It just feels more intuitive, more like how we learned our first language. Then there are the readings, which are quick 1-minute stories, jokes, dialogues, or even songs. Each one comes with Italian and English audio and a bilingual transcript, so I can listen, follow along, and really see how the language works in context. There are over 1,200 of these, and I love how I can fit them into my day, even when I just have 5 minutes. Now this is where it gets really cool, the AI tutor. This is where I get to talk in Italian, either by typing or recording my voice, and get instant feedback. I can have a casual chat, practice a role-play situation like ordering food or booking a hotel, or even review the lessons I've completed. It adjusts to my level, and the suggestions it gives help me express myself more naturally. Sometimes I'm not sure what to say next, so I just click a button, and it suggests sentences to keep the conversation going. There's even a settings menu where I can change the tutor's personality, tweak how it interacts with me, and see my conversation history. After a few messages, I can even download my chats to track progress over time, which I find super useful. So yeah, between the structured lessons, bite-sized content, and the AI conversation tool, Think in Italian really covers all the angles. It's been the most well-rounded and flexible platform I've used so far to actually speak Italian, not just study it. If you're looking for something that's intuitive, fun, and helps you practice real-world Italian every day, I'd definitely say give it a try. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out.